Today we're going to bring an LED sign, and this is perfect for those that are driving cars at night and you want to advertise that if you're doing Uber Eats or you're just delivering. This is a perfect way to advertise yourself as a taxi, as your advertisements. Now, the animations, if you guys can see, these are basic animations that are included on the app you have to download, all right? Now, you could create your own, you could animate your own, and you could even write in your own graffiti letters in here. This is a perfect way to get out there. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want this to be coming out in the background, or you want to drive around and people can see your channel, this is one way also to you. Now, they give you plenty of options on the application, and the app is easy to use. It's a Bluetooth enabled, so you have to connect Bluetooth, but you could actually just choose any app, any picture that's currently set up in the application, and you can upload it to the system itself. So once you get in here, all you got to do is push it up, upload it to the system itself. It downloads into your phone, and once you upload it to a phone, you push it to the integrated into the actual LED. Once it gets into the LED, it starts uploading the file into it, and then it just distributes the actual LED. Now, the pixelations, there's a couple, pixelations that you need to be aware because it is pretty long. But once you get the hang of it, you could create multiple animations on there. Now, this is one way to actually get, like I said, advertisements. So let's take a look at the other features. On the other features, you could create your own graffiti. So here, we're going to create our own graffiti. We're going to write something. We're going to write test, all right? This is an S. So we write test, and I'm a little bit off on the graffiti, but this is pretty much how it gets it. And you could create multiple colors. You could add your own colors in there. You could erase. So we're going to go in blue. We're going to say confirm, and then we're going to type in, we're going to put in blue. And then we're going to push it out to the system, and you're going to see the actual blue indentation. Now we're going to add red in there. We're going to go in and add red, confirm, and we're going to add red in there too. And confirm it. And we're going to push it. And this is pretty much how you do it. But this is just a simple process you can do, but you could do animations and much more. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.